Well, good morning and well, good afternoon now, and welcome back to South Coast Level Crossings. And it is tipping it down. Hooray! No, hooray! Good job. I've got my umbrella up. I've got a really fancy way of keeping my hands warm while holding my umbrella. No, they're not gloves. What I've got is I can put my the end of my umbrella, the bit you hold, into my pocket in my coat. And then I put the shaft of the umbrella, I don't know how you call it, but I put that over the rucksack. And you know the straps on the rucksack you put your arm through, I put my shaft of the umbrella through there and into my pocket. So it holds itself up and it stops it falling over. So that's good. And I can keep my hands warm, and my umbrella's trying to say hello there at the top of the picture, so I shall say no, not yet, umbrella. So we're waiting for a train, as we always do. I forgot what train it was. I think it's something to do with Manchester Piccadilly. It's the Manchester Piccadilly to Milford Haven train. Yes, the Milford Haven Express. And there we go. Thank you for watching. I hope I don't get splashed on my flying. And I shall see you in the next video.